Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a clean version of a song using Audacity. This is perfect for removing explicit content, unwanted sections, or creating radio-friendly versions of your favorite tracks. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the File menu. Click on File, then hover your mouse over the Import option. This will reveal a submenu where you need to select Audio. This import feature allows you to bring any audio file into Audacity for editing. Next, a file browser window will appear on your screen. Navigate through your folders to locate the song you want to edit. Once you've found it, select the file and click Open. The audio waveform will now load into Audacity, displaying the entire track visually. This waveform representation makes it much easier to identify specific sections you want to clean or modify. Now comes the important part where you'll actually clean the audio. Click and drag your mouse across the section of the waveform that you want to remove or silence. This could be explicit lyrics, unwanted noise, or any part you don't want in your clean version. You'll notice the selected area becomes highlighted, indicating which portion will be affected. With your section selected, look at the top toolbar and click the Silence Audio Selection tool. This instantly mutes the highlighted portion, effectively removing it from your track without deleting the space it occupied. The great thing about this method is that it maintains the original timing and structure of your song. If you realize you've silenced the wrong section or want to undo your last action, simply click Edit in the upper left corner and select Undo Silence. This feature is incredibly helpful when you're making multiple edits and need to step back from a mistake. To select another section to clean, click and drag to highlight a different part of the audio. Alternatively, if you want to apply effects to the entire track, you can double-click the audio waveform to select everything at once. This gives you flexibility depending on whether you're working with specific sections or the whole song. Once you've cleaned all the sections you want, it's time to adjust the overall volume of your track. Click on Effect at the top of the screen, hover your mouse over Volume and Compression, which will open another submenu where you should select Amplify. This tool lets you boost or reduce the volume of your selected audio. In the Amplify window, you'll see a slider that controls the volume level. Drag the slider to the right if you want to boost the volume and make your track louder. Slide it to the left if you need to decrease the volume. This is particularly useful after silencing sections as it might affect the overall loudness of your track. Before committing to these changes, click Preview to test how your adjustments sound. Listen carefully to make sure the volume level is exactly where you want it. This preview feature prevents you from applying unwanted changes to your final audio. If you're satisfied with how the volume sounds, click Apply in the bottom right corner of the window. This will process your audio and implement the volume changes you've made. Give it a moment to complete the processing, especially if you're working with a longer track. Finally, to save your newly created clean version, click File in the upper left corner and then select Save. This will preserve all the edits you've made, giving you a polished, clean version of your song that's ready to share or use however you need. And there you have it. You've successfully created a clean version of your song using Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.